The last part is always the easy, and it's to fix up the other side. If you have this side a lot more thick, then you need to make this side a lot more thick too. But if you have one side a lot more thin, you need to make it the exact same. And there you go. You have your own little puppet. Look. Now, if you want to plush it back, this is something different. And an anime puppet will have two little lines over here. It'll cause this cute little lines. I like to take my little puff brush in an old Maybelline New York look. It's rose silk. And just rub that on the apples of your cheeks. And now you're done. See what a pretty outcome you have? If you do seem to use this tutorial, please do send me a video response showing me your pictures and how you did it. And if you did use different, makeup stuff. So thanks for viewing this, and I'll see you later. Peace.